So you want to start a YouTube channel, but all you have is your iPhone. What if I told you all you needed was your phone? Right now I'm recording video on my Sony A1, and I'm also recording audio here on my Rodecaster Pro with my Rode microphone. Does the fact that you don't have thousands of dollars worth of professional equipment discourage you from even trying? But what if we took all of that away? A lot of people think you need thousands of dollars to start a YouTube channel, but the reality is if you have an iPhone, you can get going now. Your iPhone is already powerful enough to create high quality videos. The fact that you can shoot in 4K ProRes with an iPhone, the camera you have in your pocket, is insane. If you think about it, most of the content we consume is on iPhones. As long as you have good content and a story to tell, that's all you really need. And currently I'm using an iPhone 14 Pro, which technically is outdated. With a little bit of tweaking, you could take your iPhone footage and audio and enhance it to a level which you probably didn't even know that you can. I'm gonna switch these cameras right now and get into it. So what you're seeing right now is raw footage and raw audio out of the iPhone 14 Pro. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my phone back down. I'm going to take that footage out of the iPhone and I'm gonna put it into Final Cut Pro. And what we're gonna do is mess with the audio, mess with the footage a little bit, and try to make it look and sound as best as we possibly can. So once I brought that footage into Final Cut Pro, I'm just gonna make some minor adjustments. I felt like that footage was a little blown out, oversaturated. I just wanna mess with the highlights, bring down the exposure a little bit, but I'm just trying to get the colors to match a little bit to what they looked like on my Sony color grade. Now with the audio, again, minor adjustments, equalization down to, I just put it up to a treble boost to kind of cut that bass and echoing out of my voice. And I just spiked up the volume just a little bit to where now the audio sounds a little bit clearer and much more like it's coming out of a professional microphone, or at least something comparable. And there you have it. This is it. This is what you could potentially make your iPhone footage look like. And I think this is plenty good enough to start making YouTube videos. The best camera you have is what you have in your pocket, and everybody has an iPhone. But this footage and audio is plenty enough for anybody to start making YouTube videos. So after all that, the question is, can you start making a YouTube channel with just using your iPhone? And the answer is, absolutely. You have a 4K camera in your pocket, so you might as well use it. A lot of people try to overcomplicate things and get in their own way. I just want you to understand that you have a 4K camera in your pocket. Try not to overcomplicate things and learn as you go. That's what I'm doing. So I hope you learned a little bit from this video, and if it helped you out, give me a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.